Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City. This is another kind of bit of information I think it's extremely important for people who want to invest in real estate, especially in Oklahoma City real estate. And again, I'm doing this during a pandemic, and I'm telling people they should invest during a pandemic. And, when we have a personal conversation with you, if you look at some of my other videos, I'll give you reasons to do this in case you have the ability to do this. Without taking really, really high risk. I don't want you to do that. But, what I want to talk about right now is property management, because this is the critical factor in any team that puts together a plan for you to invest in real estate. I mean, I've been at this for 30 years. I've got great people around me. I've got a wonderful team. I've got great third parties, wonderful builders. But the one person that can undo everything that might even go perfectly is the property manager, and I've got the best, believe me. And for 30 years, I've been searching for this person, and I got them 13 years ago. But what I want to talk about is recent conversations that we've had about our market in particular, because I know that people are seeing stats on MSN.com and things about, apartments being, 31% of people not paying their rent, and that's probably true. Also, people that are in really low rent kind of places, they're the most vulnerable. Sure, they're going to have the problems, but we do executive rentals. And here's the proof. And I want you to talk to Josh. If you decide you want to invest with me, that's a conversation you're going to have. Number one, April. What happened in April, the previous month here? First of all, we had 100% collections. Now, was it a little bit harder? Yeah, it was a little bit harder. First of all, we were about 5% off what we normally are in terms of times of payment. So normally about, 85, 90% pay on day one. But we know banks are a problem. We know people, are really worried about financials. And so there was a little bit of a delay. And Josh is very flexible with people. He understands this, and they're grateful for that. And so he got 100% collections. That's number one. The second thing, and this is remarkable, and this is what I really want to share with you to give you a sense of confidence in our market, is that Josh has been here for 13 years. I helped bring him up to Oklahoma City because I was doing a lot of out-of-state investors selling 150, 160 properties a year back in 2004 and 2005, and just getting killed on property management. In this one company, he was the best person they had in Dallas. He came up here because he wanted to do his own thing. He's worked for that company, for another company. He's been a regional vice president for a large national company, but he opened his own company. And he's been managing Oklahoma City investments for 13 years. What he told me 2 days ago was this. This was the single best leasing month he has ever had in 13 years. Let me just say this. A home is more important than it's ever been before. We're all spending more time at home. We're eating at home. We're working at home. We're with our families at home. Home is extremely important. Getting the right home right now is very important. And we're even seeing record sales at this point of owner occupancy. And that's a good thing also, because you want that in a market because you want to build appreciation. Oklahoma City did extremely well in 2009. We had a normal recession. That's what's happening today. Now, I'm going to be doing this update every month. I want to give that sense of confidence about what's going on. We want to be transparent with you. We want you to know the market that you're investing in, because we don't like surprises either. But right now, it's doing incredibly well. We are renting a lot of property. Josh just got me $100 more on one of my properties with a 2-year lease. 50% of his leases are now 2 years. Things are going extremely well, and we will keep you updated. We want to build your wealth, and we want to build it responsibly with Oklahoma City real estate.